Hi everyone, I'm Sharanya Rajesh. I'm a science teacher and this is my channel S4 Science Classes. This is specially meant for science aspirants from class 9 to 12. I have already uploaded some related videos of physics, chemistry and bio stream. If you like the video and if you're feeling it is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe and support me. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get regular notification and you won't miss any of my videos. And please keep supporting. Now watch the video. Hi everyone, welcome to S4 Sharanya's Science Classes. So here today we are going to discuss the topic that's excretory system or the excretion process of human beings, right? So here you can see that what I mean by excretion, right? हमने learn किया है digestion, that is a nutrition process, right? So we are taking complex food, right? उसको simpler molecule में convert कर दिया. वो simpler molecules will be utilized to produce energy. वो है respiration, right? और वो nutrient similar molecules और energy के लिए जितना oxygen चाहिए इसको transport करना throughout the body. That's actually called circulation, right? अभी ये circulation की बात जो waste material होती है उसको remove करना है हमारी body से. That process is called excretion, right? तो हमारी डाइजेशन हो गया, रेस्पिरेशन हो गया, सर्कुलेशन हो गया. Now the last that is excretion, right? Excretion here we are going to learn about the excretory system. Here हमने नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट मटेरियल की एक्सक्रीशन पहले बता रही है. इसके अलावा भी एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम है हमारी बॉडी में, जैसे कि स्वेट ग्लैंड्स आर देयर, सेबेशियस ग्लैंड्स और स्वेट ग्लैंड्स. उसमें से भी अनवांटेड सॉल्ट्स और सीबम दैट व्हाट से ऑयल कंटेंट वगैरह निकलती है. और यू कैन सी दैट टीयर ग्लैंड्स इज देयर, तो दैट्स आल्सो ए टाइप ऑफ वेस्ट रिमूवल है. और हमारी एक्सक्रीशन टाइम में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड रिमूव हो रही है, दैट्स आल्सो ए टाइप ऑफ एक्सक्रीशन. ये सारी इंक्लूड कर एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम फिनिश होती है, राइट? सो बट हियर वी आर मेनली कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग अबाउट नाइट्रोजन वेस्ट मटेरियल की रिमूवल, how that excretory system is actually working, right? So what do you mean by excretion first? That you have to understand. कोई सा भी harmful substance, right? Metabolism, that means in our body overall activities happening, उसको बोलती है metabolism. Whatever the activities are happening in our body, वो सारा activities को मिलकर हम बताते हैं metabolism. वो metabolism की बाद में जो harmful substance produce होती है, mainly nitrogenous waste material. Nitrogenous, that means ये mainly यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड, राइट, और अमोनिया, ये सब कुछ होती है नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट मटेरियल. इसको रिमूव करना वाली प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं एक्सक्रीशन. सो द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूवल ऑफ हार्मफुल मेटाबॉलिक वेस्ट मटेरियल लाइक यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड एंड अमोनिया फ्रॉम द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीशन, राइट? तो हमारे एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम एक्चुअली contain different parts, right? So you can see that there will be a pair of kidney, a pair of ureter is there, then a urinary bladder and a urethra. These all are the parts of the excretory system. ये parts में you can see that this is actually making the urine, right? Which is that actually what we say less toxic form of this nitrogenous waste material. बाकी सारा जो हम बता रही है सारा थोड़ा बहुत टॉक्सिक है. हाईएस्ट टॉक्सिक है अमोनिया. उसको लेस टॉक्सिक फॉर्म में बनाकर उसको हमारी बॉडी से रिमूव करती है. सो इट इज एक्चुअली द पर्पस ऑफ मेकिंग यूरिन इज दैट यू कैन सी दैट द फिल्टर आउट द वेस्ट मटेरियल फ्रॉम द ब्लड. तो जो ब्लड में प्रेजेंट है वॉट एवर द वेस्ट मटेरियल उसको फिल्टर आउट कर इट हैज टू बी रिमूव फ्रॉम अवर बॉडी. दैट्स एक्चुअली द यूरिन फॉर्मेशन वी आर टेलिंग. वो यूरिन फॉर्मेशन इज एक्चुअली टेकिंग प्लेस इन द एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. दैट्स एक्चुअली द किडनी. बाकी पूरा उसका ट्रांसपोर्टिंग चैनल है. So the working part we are telling, the making of urine actually taking place in the kidney itself. बाकी जो ureter है, urinary bladder है और urethra है, वो सिर्फ पास करती है यूरिन को बाहर की तरफ, right? So here we are going to discuss that the parts of the excretory system. You can see that excretory system consists of a pair of kidney. You can see that there will be two kidneys, right? Which is actually you can say that a kidney bean, right? Or what is a pill-shaped or bean-shaped organ. So that's actually you can see that a pair of kidneys will be there, which is actually located at the pelvic region, right? Just above the pelvic region you can see that in our body. जो abdominal cavity में पीछे की sides, right? पीछे की sides में you can see that the pair of kidney will be there. ये kidney के अंदर you can see that there will be fine tubule-like structures will be there, पूरा tubule-like structures, right? So the filtration unit वो फिल्ट्रेशन यूनिट, दैट मीन्स बेसिक यूनिट ऑफ किडनी, हम जो बताते हैं ना नर्वस टिश्यू की बेसिक यूनिट है न्यूरॉन, ऐसे किडनी की राइट बेसिक यूनिट है नेफ्रॉन. So that means ये किडनी के अंदर there will be millions of nephrons. So we can say that it is the basic unit of kidney or it is a filtration unit, right? So इसके अंदर बहुत सारी tube-like structures होती है. That's actually you can see that fine tube-like structure which is called the nephron. Nephron की diagram मैंने अलग से बनाया है. I will explain it. Wait. So you can see that this kidney के अंदर the filtration unit, you can see that millions of nephrons will be there. उसके अंदर actually the urine formation is taking place. Once the urine is formed, then that will be taken out by this ureter, right? Ureters, you can see that that is also a pair of ureter. From each kidney, one ureter will be there, which is actually a tube-like structure, right? Which is actually taking the entire urine to outside, and that urine will be temporarily stored in a muscular sac, right? Which is called the urinary bladder. ये ट्यूब को बोलती है यूरेटर, right? And this muscular sac को बोलती है urinary bladder. These urinary bladder have the capacity to store the urine for some time, temporarily, right? But and it is actually muscular in nature. So थोड़ा बहुत उसका contraction, relaxation, you can see that, right? So once that urinary bladder will be filled, then there will be ejection reflex will be there, or this will be contracted, and we will feel have that what we say that urination tendency हो जाती है, तो automatically that maturation, that urination process will be followed, right? And that urine will be passed throughout. There will be a tube opening which is called the urethra. ये urethra in males actually this urethra will be extended to the another muscular structure which is called the penis or the penis. But in females it will be really small. Right. Now we are going that filtration unit. I hope you have an idea about this kidney, which is the excretory system. Inside the kidney, the urine formation will take place, and that will be urine will be taken by the ureter, which is also a paired structure, and that will be stored in the urinary bladder and will be ejected through the urethra. Now we are going to that filtration unit nephron in detailed structure, right? ये filtration unit that's actually the nephron. Nephron के structure में हमने different parts में divide किया है. It has a cup-shaped part, right? Cup-shaped part, which is called the Bowman's capsule. Bowman's capsule. These cup-shaped part, you can see that inside that cup-shaped part, there will be blood vessels entering here. ये blood vessels को बोलती है afferent arteriole. Fine blood vessels will be enter into this cup-shaped part. That's actually the afferent arteriole. Artery will be there, which is carrying the blood, right? So that blood will be again here. There will be cluster of what we say filtration unit will form inside this cup-shaped part. It's in a cluster. That means the blood vessels will be clustered to form a special filtration unit. उसका नाम है glomerulus. Glomerulus. It's actually the filtration unit, right? Then after forming that filtration unit, these arteries will come out again, which is called efferent arteriole. And this is the efferent arteriole. This will be spread throughout that nephron, throughout the part of the nephron, and from where that what is say waste material will be diffused inside into that blood, and some of the waste material or water will be directly given to the tubule part also. That will also be discussed. So these are the main parts. We told that there will be C-shaped or cup-shaped part is there, which is called the Bowman's capsule, and the artery will enter into that cup-shaped part and form a cluster of, it will be a cluster of filtration unit which is called a glomerulus, right? And the artery will come out, that is the efferent arteriole. And you can see that from the Bowman's capsule, there will be a tubular structure. Tubular structure, highly coiled tubular structure will be running here. You can see that tubule also divided into three parts. You can see that that's actually the first part of this tubule, which is called PCT or proximal convoluted tubule. this part is that proximal part, that means upper part, it's actually proximal convoluted tubule. These convoluted tubule will form a hairpin like structure. You can see that a hairpin, and a hairpin ki jaisa U-shaped structure will be there. This structure is called Henle's loop. So this structure is called Henle's loop, and that will be again coiled into form another part of that tubule, which is called DCT, distal convoluted tubule. DCT or distal convoluted tubule, which is the last part, and this DCT will enter into another collecting tubule, which is called a collecting duct. Here you can see that there are so many. Another nephron will join here, another nephron will join here, another nephron will join here. So it's actually a common tube for different nephrons will join and will form a collecting duct. Right. So here you can see that the PCT part and the Henle's loop and the DCT part. Right. So now you can see that the blood vessels again covering the entire part also. Right. So here you can see that if these blood vessels is covering, right, which is a network of the structure they are forming. These are actually fine arteries, right, or that what do you say that capillaries, like artery structure, fine blood vessels are there. So direct diffusion, right, of some substance. If any needed of water, extra water is there, that has to be taken in, and some of the ions which has to base material is not needed, it has to be given into the tubule. That can also possible because the counter current mechanism. You can see here, ये parallel move करते हैं. This is the loop part, और उसका parallelly you can see that the blood vessel is going. तो कुछ counter current mechanism है. The process of that, how that filtration is happening, urine formation, class 11 में आपको learn करने के लिए है, but फिर भी आपको समझने के लिए बता रही हूँ. You can see that this tubule is there. वो blood vessels भी उसका parallelly जा रही है. So there will be a counter current mechanism. So some of the ions it can take it in, and some of the material it can give out also to the tubule, right? And these filtered that blood will again taken into renal artery. वो kidney में वापस जाकर it will be taken into that renal vein, and it will again taken into the what will say that the inferior vena cava, and it will join into the lungs. I hope the structure of the nephron is clear. Now next we have to learn that the physiology of urine formation, or how the urine formation is taking place. That we are going to discuss next. We are going to discuss the physiology of urine formation, or how the urine formation is taking place. Urine formation actually we can divide it into 3 steps, right? So first step is the glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and tubular secretion. So what is actually happening? I told that it can be divided into 3 steps. First step में you can see that all the blood, right, is actually entering through the afferent arteriole into the Bowman's capsule. ये है Bowman's capsule region. ये Bowman's capsule के अंदर ये सारा artery it will enter, and it will form fine capillaries, right? And a cluster of capillaries will be formed there, right? So that cluster of capillaries को हम बोलते हैं glomerulus, right? And this will act as a जैसे कि जाली जैसा structure, right? So when the blood will pass through this filtration unit, almost all the items, we can say that almost all that some needed and some unwanted, right? Like we can say that a part of water and some amount of nitrogenous waste material, along with that glucose, some amino acids and salts. ये सारे items will be filtered into the Bowman's capsule region. तो आप देख लेना, you can see here. इधर से ये पूरा फिल्टर होकर इसके अंदर आ जाती है Bowman's capsule के अंदर, right? And remaining blood will again go through this the capillaries. You can see the fine capillaries will be there. So उधर से जाती है, right? Now what will happen? Now this is the filtrate, right? जो filter हुआ गया बाकी जिसको हम बोलते हैं filtrate, right? So the filtrate will move through this tubule structure, right? So now you can see that there are actually some necessary substance, जैसे कि हमारे ग्लूकोज नीडेड सब्सटेंस है, राइट? इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी फॉर अस. वो वेस्ट मटेरियल नहीं है तो उसको रीअब्सॉर्ब करना है. हमने पहले बोल दिया था ग्लोमेरुलस में जो फिल्ट्रेशन होती है, सम अमाउंट नाइट्रोजनस वेस्ट को रिमूव तो करना है, राइट? उसके साथ साथ सम वाटर जो नीडेड सब्सटेंस जैसा कि ग्लूकोज, अमीनो एसिड एंड सम सॉल्ट्स आल्सो विल बी फिल्टर्ड. बिकॉज उसका जाली थोड़ा सा बड़ा है तो ऑलमोस्ट ऑल सब्सटेंस विल बी फिल्टर्ड. बट ये सारी चीजेस को हमको वापस चाहिए, राइट? तो उसको हमको वापस रीअब्सॉर्ब करना है. That will be happen when this filtrate will move through this tubule, राइट, पीसीटी में हेनलीज लूप में और डीसीटी में मूव करती है, राइट. दीज नेसेसरी सब्सटेंस विल बी रीअब्सॉर्ब्ड बाय दैट प्रोसेस को हम बोलते हैं ट्यूबुलर रीअब्सॉर्प्शन. ट्यूबुलर रीअब्सॉर्प्शन इसको वापस अब्सॉर्ब करती है, राइट. दैट्स द सेकेंड स्टेप. ईच एरिया में देयर आर स्पेसिफिक एरिया, पीसीटी में, डीसीटी में और हेनलीज लूप में क्या क्या चीजें रीअब्सॉर्ब होती है उसका भी डिफरेंट है. आई टोल्ड दैट इन हायर क्लास यू विल गो इन डिटेल कौन सी सब्सटेंस किधर रीअब्सॉर्ब हो रही है, कौन सी सब्सटेंस किधर सिक्रेट हो रही है. नाउ यू जस्ट हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ओनली दिस. Whatever the necessary substances are there, that's like glucose, amino acids and all, will be reabsorbed back into that blood vessels. जो blood, इसलिए तो मैंने बोला था blood vessels इसका पूरा ट्यूब्यूल को कवर अप कर देंगे. So that will be directly diffused into the blood, right? Blood vessels, right? So that process is called tubular reabsorption. So I have written here the necessary substances like glucose, amino acid, salts and water, which from the filtrate, right, which will be reabsorbed into the blood vessels through the capillaries. Right. Now the third steps of that physiology of urine formation, that's actually the tubular secretion. इधर क्या हो रही है, right? अभी भी बहुत सारी वेस्ट मटेरियल इधर से इधर ना फिल्टर हो गया, राइट. और अभी भी कुछ भी वेस्ट मटेरियल ये ब्लड में अभी भी बाकी है, which cannot be filtered through the glomerular filtration. उसको डायरेक्टली इसकी DCT, that means distal convoluted area में डायरेक्टली उसको secrete करेंगे, right? So then it will be a part of the urine. So that is actually done by the tubular secretion, right? So you can see that the unwanted substance which could not be filtered out in the glomerulus part, that means glomerular filtration से जो filter नहीं हुआ है उसको directly secreted to the renal tubule from the blood vessels, right, through the capillary itself. वो प्रोसेस को बोलती है ट्यूबुलर सेक्रेशन. नाउ यू कैन सी दैट ये सारा वेस्ट मटेरियल अलोंग विद द वाटर, राइट, दैट विल बी डाइल्यूटेड, राइट. हाई कॉन्सेंट्रेशन में इट विल बी एक्चुअली हार्मफुल फॉर अस. तो यूरिन को डाइल्यूट करके हाउ मच वी नीडेड दैट, हाउ मच वाटर विल बी रीअब्सॉर्ब्ड, दैट विल बी डिपेंड अपॉन द कंडीशन. दैट मीन्स एटमोस्फेरिक कंडीशन भी है, टेम्परेचर भी है. समर टाइम में आपने देखा होगा कम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर को रीअब्सॉर्ब, दैट मीन्स यूरिनेशन टेंडेंसी बहुत कम होती है. बट रेनी सीजन में यूरिनेशन टेंडेंसी ज्यादा होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि इधर हमारी बॉडी में स्वेट भी है, स्वेटिंग ऑल्सो हैपनिंग समर के टाइम में, और बॉडी को वाटर की नीड भी बहुत ज्यादा है. तो मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर को रीअब्सॉर्ब करेगा तो कम अमाउंट ऑफ यूरिन विल बी देयर, एंड यू कैन सी दैट द कलर ऑफ यूरिन विल बी मोर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड इन दैट टाइम. बट रेनी सीजन के टाइम में आपको देख लो ऑलरेडी एटमोस्फेयर में टेम्परेचर कम है, तो यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज नॉट दैट मच नीड ऑफ वाटर. तो वाटर की रीअब्सॉर्प्शन कम होगा एंड देयर विल बी मोर वाटर और देयर विल बी मोर यूरिन. तो बीच बीच में यूरिनेशन टेंडेंसी विल बी देयर. So at last that product is forming, that's actually the urine, right? So urine, you can see that this will be collected into the collecting duct. ऐसे बहुत सारी collecting duct एक साथ. These collecting duct will join into the ureter part of that kidney, and it will be taken out into the urinary bladder, stored there, and it will be ejected through the urethra.